Are you looking for the best Epson printers? In this video we will look at some of best Epson printers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Epson EcoTank ET 2400. A versatile inkjet printer designed for efficiency and cost savings. It offers both Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, making it easy to print from various devices. One of its standout features is the cartridge-free printing system, using refillable ink tanks instead of traditional cartridges. This system offers significant savings, reducing the cost per page by up to 90%. Each set of ink bottles is equivalent to about 80 cartridges, providing enough ink to print up to 4,500 black and white pages or 7,500 color pages. The EcoTank ET 2400 is also eco-friendly, with zero cartridge waste, helping reduce landfill waste. It includes a built-in scanner and copier, offering high-resolution capabilities that are perfect for document management. The printer delivers sharp text and vibrant color photos, thanks to Epson's micro heat-free technology, and can handle a variety of paper types. With up to 2 years of ink included in the box and easy-to-refill ink tanks, the Epson EcoTank ET 2400 is designed to provide reliable and stress-free printing for both home and office use. Number 4. Epson WorkForce Pro WF 4830. The Epson WorkForce Pro printer is a high-performance inkjet model designed for professional environments. It features wireless connectivity, allowing flexible placement within office setups. Notable for its precision core heat-free technology, the printer achieves rapid print speeds of up to 25 pages per minute for monochrome and 12 pages per minute for color prints. It prioritizes high-volume reliability, leveraging durable D-Bright Ultra Instant Dry Pigment inks for precise and professional quality output. Equipped with a complete duplex solution for automatic two-sided printing, copying, scanning, and faxing, it also includes a 50-sheet automatic document feeder for enhanced workflow efficiency, with a 500-sheet paper capacity spread across two 250-sheet trays. A user-friendly 4.3-inch color touchscreen interface and enhanced connectivity through the Epson Smart Panel app for mobile devices maximize productivity. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET 4800. The Epson EcoTank ET 4800 printer in white combines innovative features with eco-friendly efficiency. It utilizes high-capacity ink tanks instead of traditional cartridges, reducing costs significantly with savings up to 90% on ink replacements. This model ensures stress-free printing with up to 2 years of ink included, minimizing interruptions. It boasts micro heat-free technology for high-quality prints on various paper types, including sharp text and vibrant photos. Equipped with a built-in scanner and copier, it supports modern connectivity options like Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Alexa integration for voice-activated commands, making it versatile and user-friendly for both home and office environments. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET 2803. The Epson EcoTank ET 2803 is a versatile inkjet printer designed for efficient and cost-effective printing. It features innovative cartridge-free technology, replacing traditional ink cartridges with refillable ink tanks that offer substantial savings up to 90% compared to cartridges. Each ink bottle set is equivalent to about 80 cartridges, providing enough ink to print up to 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 in color, with up to 2 years of ink included in the box. Easy refillable EcoFit ink bottles minimize out-of-ink frustrations and reduce cartridge waste. The printer also includes a built-in scanner and copier with high-resolution capabilities suitable for both documents and photos, supported by Epson micro heat-free technology for sharp text and vivid graphics on various paper types. The ET 2803 is designed for reliability and sustainability, offering a user-friendly solution for home or small office printing needs. Number 1. Epson WorkForce Pro WF 7820. The Epson WorkForce Pro is a high-performance inkjet printer designed for professional environments. It features advanced precision core heat-free technology, enabling rapid printing speeds of up to 25 pages per minute in black and 12 pages per minute in color. This model supports wide format printing up to 13 and x19 in, making it suitable for various printing needs. Key features include high-precision printing with D-Bright Ultra Pigment inks for sharp, durable prints and a robust design for high-volume printing reliability. It includes a complete duplex solution for automatic two-sided printing, copying, scanning, and faxing, along with a 50-sheet ADF for added convenience. The printer also offers enhanced connectivity through a 4.3-inch color touchscreen and the Epson Smart Panel app, optimizing productivity and ease of use in professional settings.